Want AI to recommend your repair shop more often? Start with one thing most shops ignore: local relevance in content. Geo-targeted content is a core strategy for AI-driven local search optimization. Instead of generic pages, repair shops should create location-specific content using neighborhood names, street names, and even local events to signal relevance to AI algorithms. It also recommends answering frequently asked questions and using natural language, which can improve the chances of appearing in AI-generated snippets. This matters because AI-powered search is increasingly intent-based and context-aware. If your content clearly communicates what you do and where you serve, AI can better match your shop to nearby customers. We frame this as a strategic shift. Content isn't just for humans anymore. It also helps AI understand and surface your business in local results.